Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you absolutely, positively needed to get money to someone, like, right now? Maybe you're helping a family member out with an unexpected bill, or you snagged an amazing deal on a one-of-a-kind item online, but the seller only accepts wire transfers. In our fast-paced world, waiting a day or two for a transfer to clear can feel like an eternity. So, what are your options? Banks are notorious for their, well, let's just say not exactly lightning-fast transfer times. But what about Ally Bank, the online bank that prides itself on convenience and speed? Does Ally Bank offer same-day wire transfers? Buckle up, because that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. The need for speed, why same-day transfers matter. Before we dissect Ally Bank's wire transfer policy, let's talk about why same-day transfers are becoming increasingly important. Traditional bank transfers can take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days to process. That might not seem like a huge deal for most transactions, but there are situations where speed is essential. Imagine you're buying a car from a private seller. They won't hand over the keys until the funds clear, and waiting a couple of days puts a damper on the whole experience. Same-day transfers can eliminate this waiting period and ensure a smooth transaction. Here are some other situations where a same-day wire transfer can be a lifesaver. Urgent medical bills. No one should have to wait for a bank transfer to access necessary medical care. Last-minute business transactions. In the business world, time is money. Same-day transfers can ensure deals go through without a hitch. Funding closing costs on a house. Delays in closing can cause major headaches. A same-day transfer can help ensure a smooth closing process. Ally Bank and same-day wire transfers, the verdict. All right, enough with the suspense. Let's get to the answer you've all been waiting for. Does Ally Bank offer same-day wire transfers? Unfortunately, the answer is no. As of today, Ally Bank doesn't offer same-day wire transfer options. Their wire transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, just like most traditional banks. Don't despair. Alternatives to consider. While Ally Bank might not be your best bet for a same-day transfer, there are still a few options to consider. Expedited transfers. Some banks offer expedited wire transfer options that can clear funds within the same business day, but these often come with hefty fees. Peer-to-peer payment services. Services like Zelle or Venmo allow you to send and receive money instantly between linked accounts. However, these services typically have limitations on transfer amounts. Cash pickup. Depending on the situation, you might be able to arrange a cash pickup service where the recipient can access the funds immediately. The Ally Bank Advantage, still a strong contender. Even though Ally Bank doesn't offer same-day wire transfers, there are still reasons why they might be a great fit for you. Here are some of their strengths. Competitive rates. Ally Bank is known for offering competitive rates on various banking products, including wire transfers. Convenience. As an online bank, Ally Bank offers a user-friendly online platform and mobile app, making it easy to initiate and track wire transfers. Transparency. Ally Bank is clear and upfront about their fees, including wire transfer charges. There are no hidden surprises. The bottom line. While Ally Bank might not be the solution for those needing a same-day wire transfer, they remain a strong contender for online banking with their competitive rates, convenience, and transparency. However, if speed is your top priority, you might want to explore other banks or services that offer expedited transfer options. Remember, thorough research is key. Before choosing a bank or service for your wire transfer needs, compare fees, processing times, and any limitations that might apply. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.